Go ahead.
Hello, everybody. Today is the D-Day. Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation and Chiagozium Children's Care Support Incorporation and Ezine Ojubo Foundation. We are having the Mother Christmas event at Holy Name of Jesus Parish School. It's a Catholic school. And guess what? Today we brought a whole lot of goodies for the kids. You can see us already getting set up. Alright, we are sorting out our clothing and we have a lot of gifts right here. Alright, we have a lot of gifts. We are packaging gifts, over 100 bags today to give out to the kids. So, Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation, we started the Mother Christmas event and we've been doing it for the past 3 years. And guess what? The kids love it. We're doing it here in America and we're doing it in many states in Nigeria. So, Igbo Wafi Igbo, asukona na ino na America, ichefuo ihe basara ala Igbo, ị ga na-asụ asụsụ ala Igbo dịka na-asị Yoruba. Even though no more abo, on Mother Christmas na video, narokwa n'akụkụ, na akwado ime kasi ụbọchị. And today, anyị ga-agba egwu ọgbakọ na Mother Christmas a. Enwere ụmụ school ga-agbara anyị egwu Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide. So anyị buru cultural Igbo wee bịa na America wee na-eme ya maka na Igbo ihe Igbo amaka. Ekele kelere m Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo gburugburu, ọgbakọ ndị ezi ala Igbo gburugburu, ọgbakọ kelenu.
All the Southeastern governors and their wives, present and official, to please endeavor to support this Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo divine project of building motherless homes across all the whole Southeastern states. We also salute all the commissioners of women affairs and social services in all the Southeastern states. We beg you to support this very vision. Amani Mano, Weli Agaba, Wele Agaba, Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation. Owanaka Kunyenya, Owanuku Bayegu, Owanuku Chekiba, Onyeweneko Febego, Gabun Kanyo, Gabun Kanyo, Mejali Babanyo, Wende Node Naka, Weli Agaba, Wele Agaba. Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation. Umunwanyi Igbo bife panwere ọgụgụ isi. If you want to marry and have peace, Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo. Osi Anambra, Osi Imo State yo, Osi Abia State, ọ bụ Enugu gosi bịa. Delta State, ala Ebonyi State, ala Igbo niile. Umunwanyi Igbo bụ sasa mpedama. Ha na mama ịmakwa na ha na-enwe height, ha na-enwe ukwu, ha na-enweziri nwa na pointed nose, gazie nwa akọ n'uche based among they are submissive and always supportive to their husbands, and betterment of Igbo race is their priority. Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation. Owanaka Kunyenya, Owanuku Bayegu, Owanuku Chekiba, Onyeweneko Febego, doctors and lawyers, teachers and traders, Mejali Babanyo, Wende Node Naka. Let's push together on the Malibo. anyị ji biri ndị patrons anyị, patrons and matrons na-eji nwere obodo. His Excellency Chief Ajikude Nwa, former governor Imo State, Onwa, First Grand Patron, Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation, Chief Shepas Okorie, Grand Patron, Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide, Venerable Dr. Emeka Nwigwe, Grand Patron, Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation, Dr. Cash Ezimako, Patron, Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation, Mazi Uche Nasebu, Omiomio, Patron, Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation, Her Excellency Barrister Mma Lakasto Okoro, Patron.
Hello everybody. Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. My name is Eziada Ifoma Caroline Obaramwadzike. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our heart. Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year.
Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo. Igbo amaka. Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo. Igbo amaka. Igbo amaka. Igbo ga-adị mma ọzọ.